Hello, my name's Miss Buck and I am the A-Level Physics teacher at Beacon Academy. So I'm going to show you a short presentation about all the information that you need regarding to the physics course here. And if you have any questions at the end of the presentation, then please feel free to email me. Okay, so let's make a start. So why study physics? So physics to me is the most interesting of all the sciences because it both covers the really large things and the really small things. So it covers everything. And physics is a really highly regarded A-level at universities because of the significant challenge that it poses. So it's a really good A-level for you to take. So physics is not all about maths. There's a wide variety of different skills that you need in order to be able to do physics properly. So you still get asked to write up methods and to express yourself in good quality English. You will have to do a lot of practicals, some which involve a lot of duct tape and blue tack. You'll need to be able to analyse your data and plot really good graphs, quite large ones. You will be asked to present different information in one of your practical assessment skills, and there is a little bit of maths in physics. They do go hand in hand, so you will need to be quite competent at maths. So physics is a very good A-level to take because it can open up a wide variety of different career paths for you to take. So there are the obvious career paths into engineering, science and research, transport, logistics, construction, with all of your different engineering courses that you can take, but also you can do different conversion courses and go into medicine, law, you can go into advertising and marketing, banking, finance and teaching as well. So it opens up a lot of doors for you. We do OCR A physics and we use the Oxford Physics textbook with all into it. So links should be given to you on an equipment list that comes out closer to the time. You have 10 hours teaching time throughout the fortnight, and most of them are in double lessons with a few single ones. So that's enough time for us to be able to do a significant practical and write it up. You do a lot of independent work with practicing the maths skills that you'll need. So we'll go over the theory in class, I give you lots of examples, and then you will then practice the skills independently on your own in study and other things like that. You will need a scientific calculator because you will be asked to do lots of brackets, fractions, standard form as a course of your physics work. We complete the PAGs as part of our lessons, so you will need to be able to draw tables properly, draw graphs, write up practicals, and these are a pass or fail requirement, and universities do require you, in order to go into a scientific based course, to have passed them. So they are very important, and don't worry, we'll teach you all how to do them as we go through. So in year 12, we start off with looking at your practical skills and what we need to do in order to pass those PAGs, which are very straightforward, very easy. Then we look at foundations of physics, looking at units and scalars and vectors, and then we do force and motion and electrons, waves and photons. Module 4 has got lots of quantum mechanics as well, so it's quite interesting as we go along. Year 13, we add an additional 2 modules, so we look at Newtonian world with gravity, electric fields and particles, and medical physics with capacitance and things like that. At the end of the 2-year course, there are 3 exams. 2 of them are 2 hours and 15 minutes and an hour and a half. Okay, and then the practical assessment is the pass or fail that you will do as you go along. So you've got a very simple job. It's to maintain your organised notes because these will be your revision materials with which to revise and pass the exams. I run a keep up after school 1 hour a week, so if you are struggling with anything, then you need to come along with that and you need to be asking for help. You need to meet all my deadlines, please, so that I can mark and feed back to you. And you need to apply yourself to the unique challenges of practical work, because it does involve you thinking and being a little bit creative in order to control your control variables. My job, I support you as we go through the physics course, so I'm here for you to ask for help. I run the weekly keep-up sessions where we will do extra examples if you need it. I can give you extra sheets, extra questions if you are struggling with a particular topic. I provide mock exams to enable you to understand where you are up to and how well you're doing throughout the course, so that you can then, you know, where to look for extra improvements. And I keep track of all your PAG skills and let you know which ones you need to work on, which ones you might have passed already, which ones you might need to do some work on. And I'm here to offer the practical advice on applying the duct tape on blue tack. So I hope I've covered everything that you had questions on, and if I haven't, then please email me and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Okay, thank you very much for listening.